Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to learn the layout of a anime face, but it is very similar to the um, accurate layout of a human face. So we just learned how to draw a circle. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw my circle. My camera's got to quit doing that to you guys. Sorry about that. All right. And you know what? I'm going to make that bigger. Okay. Just because you start on a piece of paper and you make a mistake, there's no problem with erasing and starting over, okay? Just because that's a piece of paper. All right. Art's all about making mistakes and rolling with it and or changing it. All right, so there's my circle. And this part is your forehead and your eyes. Now, for anime, what we do for majority of anime, there's a lot of artists that have their own style. Okay, this is the general. All right, so you're going to drop this down right here. This is going to their jawline. And then you're going to bring that forward. Okay, and then there's your chin. Again, this is general. And here's your anime. All right, and your neck would come out here. Okay, remember the neck is always bigger than you think it is. It not majority of the time, most of the time when people are starting to draw the faces for the first time, they put the neck here. All right, that neck is not strong enough to hold up your head, and it would probably fall over. So give your beautiful anime some neck muscles here to hold up that head, especially if it's a chibi. Definitely need a big neck. Okay? So there we go. So now we have your basic head form. Now I did not outline it. Okay, notice how I have a gap here and a gap here. That's fine. All right, I'm still sketching. When you're required to do a rough draft or a sketch or a maquette in art class, this is what it's going to look like. It's not going to be a completed form, okay? There's plenty of times with my sketches, I even have pen and scribbles, and you know, that's what it is. You're not pouring your heart and soul into it yet because you are sketching out, making sure you know what you're doing. Saves a lot of time in the end. So what we have here is this line right here actually is where your ears come out. Okay. And again, all ears are different. It depends on the anime artist. If you are right-handed, like I am, all right, highly recommend you do everything on the left side of the face first. All right. The reason being is, let's say I'm drawing my eye here and I have this cute pretty eye and it's a beautiful eye and it looks amazing, all right, and then I go to draw the left eye. I can't see my right eye because my hand is covering it. So then usually what happens is we're drawing our eyes. It's also an awesome eye, it's a beautiful eye. They don't match, they don't look right. So then we get frustrated and we scribble it, we erase it, and then we put hair over that other eye and saying, well, we don't have to draw it because it's covered by the hair, all right? That's not going to fly. But I will tell you, drawing the left eye makes it so much easier if you're right-handed to draw your opposite eye first. So then when you're drawing this eye, I can still see my completed eye. All right? If you're left-handed, you're going to want to do the right side first and then the left side. Okay, so kind of saw where the eyes go a little bit there. So there's your ears. All right. Now this is a straight on face. Okay, so I'm going to put that line there. Straight on. And right here is where your nose is going to go. All right, if you actually feel, okay, you follow your nose, it comes a little bit, I'm trying to do that with my headset. It's actually a little bit above your ears, but in anime, your ears are a little bit higher. Okay. Then you have your lips. Your lips are going to be about here. Then you have your chin. Okay. Then your eyes. Your eyes are actually going to sit on this curve here. I'm going to mark where I'm going to put them. And then, look at that. This right here, almost incompletely center. Actually, you could for like one piece. They got bigger foreheads, all right? The complete center, this is your hairline, all right? It's not up here, and your eyes don't go here. Your eyes are lower, and your hairline is much farther down. So this is where my part's gonna be. Okay, so hairline, these are where my eyes are gonna go. Notice how they're on that curve, all right? That's showing me the depth of the face. It's a form, okay? It's not a shape. If you did not follow, I'm gonna go ahead and put the eyes here on a straight line. All right, it's going to be a lot more flat and less realistic. You're going to want to follow that curve. That's what the circle's there for, right? And your nose is slightly below your ears for anime, and your lips.